Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sermon Chess YouTube channel. Today chess video, I am going to show you Nimzo-Larsen attack reps. Okay, I am going to give you 4 different reps in Nimzo-Larsen attack, and I am going to give you a checkmate puzzle for you. In the end of this video, I am going to show you a checkmate puzzles for you. That puzzle's answer, if you know the puzzle's answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer in the end of this video. Okay. Now let's go to the Nimzo-Larsen attack rep 1. Okay. Let's go to the rep. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sermon Chess YouTube channel. This is rep number 1. By black resign in 9 moves only, how to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is b3. This is called Nimzo-Larsen attack. c5, Nimzo-Larsen attack English variation. Bishop b2. Now this bishop attack this pawn. We will see how to carry this much black. Black pawn come to f6. Okay, then white go to e4. Then black e5. Then bishop cross e5, bishop sacrifice right now. If take the bishop by the pawn, that's it. In some moves, black resign, because you can see now this queen come here and beautiful check and wrap the pawn and attack this line. Okay, we will see how to carry this match. White now, white queen h5 and check. Then he push the pawn to g6. Then queen cross e5 and beautiful check. Then black the check with queen. Okay, then queen take the rook. Then queen take the pawn. Then black the pawn check with black the check with white bishop. Then queen take the pawn. Then bishop go to f3. That's it. That's why black resign now, because you can see now this queen cannot cut this rook. There is a bishop here. In the same time, the white queen got the knight. Okay, if king moves, if move like this, now wrap the knight right now. Okay, the knight is good. Totally this game, black resign, because white has so many pieces. That's it. We can go to the wrap number 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Sermon Chess YouTube channel. This is wrap number 2 in Nimzo-Larsen attack. How to black wins by checkmate in 9 moves only. How to black wins by checkmate in 9 moves only. Okay, I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. b3, Nimzo-Larsen attack, knight f6, Nimzo-Larsen attack Indian variation. Then bishop b2. Okay, now attack the knight by the bishop and d4. He push the pawn to d4. Then white f4. Then e5. If take the pawn by the pawn, then pawn take pawn, then bishop take the pawn. Okay, now knight go to g4. Now attack the bishop by the knight. That's why bishop go to g3. Okay, we will see how to carry this match. Black pawn go to h5. Okay, now support to knight. Okay, then 7th move of h3. He pushed the pawn to h3. In the same time, bishop d2. Attack the bishop, white the bishop, then bishop take the bishop. That's it. In 2 moves, black wins by checkmate. You can see how to queen h4 and beautiful check. Now he cannot do anything. He black the check with bishop. I think bishop or pawn. If black, he black with the bishop. In this time, he cannot do anything. If queen take the bishop and checkmate, that's it. Okay. Now we can go to the wrap number 3. Hello everyone, this is wrap number 3. How to black wins by checkmate in 8 moves only. We will see how to black wins by checkmate. First move is b4. This is called Nimzo-Larsen attack. Knight f6, Nimzo-Larsen attack Indian variation. Bishop b2, d5, e3, e6. Okay. Now pawn go to white pawn go to f4 and g6. He push the pawn to g6. At the same time, push the pawn to g4. His idea is white idea is he pushed the pawn to there. In the same time, there is a pin. Okay, that's why he pushed the pawn to here on g4. Then bishop g7. Okay, we will see bishop e2. Now black wins by checkmate in 2-3 moves only. Knight goes g4. Cut the pawn by knight and bishop take the knight bishop. Then queen h4 and beautiful check. That's it. In one move, the beautiful checkmate. Now king go to f1. Then queen f2 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. Okay. This is wrap number 3. We can go to the wrap number 4. Hello everyone. Welcome to Surveillance YouTube channel. This is Nimzo-Larsen ATTACK wrap. Okay. In 10 moves, white won by checkmate. How to white won by checkmate in 10 moves only? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. First move, b4, b3. Nimzo-Larsen attack, sorry, b3. Nimzo-Larsen attack, e5. Nimzo-Larsen attack and modern variation. Then bishop go to b2. Now attack the pawn by the bishop. Then knight to c6. c4. Knight f6. Then knight f3. Now attack the pawn by the knight and bishop. Then e4. He push the pawn to e4 and attack the knight, and knight go to d4. Then bishop come to c5. Okay. In the same time, white knight go to f5 and attack the pawn by the knight. Okay. Then beautiful castling make black. Then e3 d5 c cross d5. Okay. Then knight cross d5. Black made a big blunder here. That's why easily won white with checkmate. Okay. Now queen g4. Okay. Now attack the pawn by the queen and knight. There is attack on h6 squares and e7 squares. Okay. Then we will see how to carry this match. Black pawn go to g6. That's it. In one move, beautiful checkmate. Knight h6 and checkmate. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's go to the checkmate puzzles time now. Okay. Hello everyone. This is checkmate puzzles time. White turn now. First move is white turn. How to white won by checkmate in 3 moves only. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. I am going to give you 15 seconds only. Before the 15 seconds, if you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am giving you the right answer. Okay. The timer is running right now. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Surveillance YouTube channel. This is checkmate puzzles answer. After the 15 seconds, I am giving right now the right answer. Now, first white turn. White c cross b8 and get the bishop. Then bishop go to a2. Then king go to f8. That's it. One move in checkmate. Bishop go to g8. Then beautiful checkmate with bishop e5. Okay. In this match, ended in a checkmate. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone.